Hello everybody, this is Monica Gioberti with Stamping with Monica, and I'm here to announce my Crafty Club kit for the month of March. Okay, for those that do not know what my Crafty Club kit is, I'm going to tell you right now. Basically, 5 months ago, I decided to introduce a new Crafty program for my customers or for whoever wanted to join. It is a it's a craft kit that includes supplies, consumable supplies from Stampin' Up, and also supplies cut and prepped for projects that I design. So as I said, the kit includes about $20 in consumable merchandise and supplies to create 8 projects, usually cards. So I will design 4 cards. You will get to make 2 of each. You will receive all the supplies to make the 8 cards, and everything will be already cut, scored. I will die cut, emboss with the die cutting machine, not hit emboss it, and punch for as much as I can do. Okay, also nothing will be pre-stamped, so anything that requires stamping and punching or stamping and die cutting, it will not be provided. You have the option to add whatever stamp set or bundle I decided to use for the month, and or use whatever you have at home. Okay, usually my design, the cards that I design or the projects that I design are designed in a way that you can substitute. So instead of a flower stamp that I use, you can choose whatever you have at home. But if you want to make the project exactly like mine, then you have to have whatever I use. So either the stamp, whatever stamp or bundle I used. One of the things that I'm offering, if you decide to add the stamp set bundle / bundle dies, whatever, those will be, you can add it at the catalog price. So you're saving or shipping and tax, and that will include only if you're adding stamps or the bundle, okay? The stamp or the bundle that I've used. I also usually I will try my best to, in my email, to let you know which ink pad I've used or whichever other special item I've used, and you are more than welcome to add that to the registration cost. Those will, for those, you will have to cover shipping and tax. The only one that I discount, that I give you the shipping, free shipping and tax, are the stamp set or the bundle. Okay, now so each month you will receive the supplies, cut and prepped, and also a video. The video will include a detailed description on, I will show you how the cards are put together. If there are tips that I need to let you know, I will do it. If the design requires me, it's too complicated to explain, then I will demonstrate the cards and show how to put it together for you. But basically my designs are pretty simple as far as what you have to do. If it requires something specific, then I will show it in the video. There are 2 options for the pricing. The porch pickup or in-person class is $29. If you want the kit to be mailed to you, it will be $35. I mentioned that there is an in-person class that will be the last Saturday of each month. It will have limited seating. You will have to let me know, and it will be first come, first serve. When you come to my in-person class, you will bring everything, meaning all of your adhesive and your toolkit. We're trying to obey by the rules and social distancing and everything, so try to still have fun but still safe. Okay, so a few things why do I call it a crafty club? It is because if you decide to stay for 6 consecutive months, so register or pay for 6 consecutive months, you, at the end of the 6 months, you will receive $25 in free merchandise from me as my thank you. The catch is that the subscription has to be for 6 consecutive months. You can choose to do a recurring subscription, so every month it will be whatever you decided to register with, credit card or whatever, it will be charged on the same exact day as the first one, or you will have to register by the 20th of the month in order to get that kit, that month kit. There are no refunds or substitution for the kit, so it is what it is. I prep everything. If you like the kit for the month, you're more than welcome to subscribe. I try to use all the new and fun products that Stampin' Up! Has to offer. I am in love with the one that I decided to use for this month because it's, it's the right time of the year. We're warming up, and who doesn't like ice cream or gelato, right? The kits will be, so I will place the order. So registration comes in by the 20th. I will place the order. I will get the supplies. I will cut and prep whatever I can, and whatever will not require stamping before, or specific stamping on die cutting based on the bundle that I used. Okay, but most of the supplies will be ready for you to use and to stamp if you're doing it at home. And as I said, you can choose to add this or use whatever you have at home. Then for those of you that will decided to have the kit mailed, or your long distance, the kit will be mailed at the end of the month. What else do I need to let you know? That I am going to show you, give you a sneak peek of the projects that you will get to make for the month of March. And it will be a quick sneak peek. I can tell you that they're going to be shaker cards and fun folds. They are colorful and fun, but simple to make because most of the work is done by me, and it will be easy peasy. Okay, so let me show you. First of all, I need to let you know I used the sweet ice cream bundle. This is $31.50 for the 2 of them, stamp set and punch. It is a steal. This is a beautiful stamp set, photopolymer, that can be used for any occasion, not only for, happy birthday, not only for birthdays. You will receive, included in the kit, there will be some designer series paper. You will get a spool of ribbon. You will get the sprinkles because, as I said, we're doing shaker cards. The ribbon that I chose is the one that goes with the suite right here. Look how beautiful this is. And as of right now, this is on back order, but it will come in in the middle of the month. So I'm still going with this one. If I see that there's going to be some other problems, then I will change the ribbon, just to let you know. So be ready, but it will be beautiful no matter what. So take these samples that I'm going to show you with the idea that might be that the ribbon will be different. But yes, I will choose it. So if you choose to add your bundle to your cost, to your kit, is $31.50, and the number is 156244. And as I said, this is a bundle to get. I'm just saying that. And I love this paper. Just to give you an idea, this is one side, hold on, of the paper, and then the other side is more generic. So you can see that it doesn't have to be birthdays, it could be other stuff. So it's a very beautiful and colorful set of paper. Okay, design. So here we go. I'm going to show you quickly the projects. As I said, is a sneak peek. Shaker, simple, simple, shaker. Okay. There are fun folds in there. 3 of the cards have fun folds and 2 have are shaker cards. So I think if you have not tried one of my haven't tried my Crafty Club kit, I think this is the time for you to try, because it's gonna be fun. Okay, so if you need to contact me, if you're not on my email list and you would like to get on my email list to get all the information, or you want to get into this month club, this is my email and this is my phone. You can text me and ask me whatever question you have. I will post this video, send it out to my subscription list in an email, and also I will post it on Facebook so you can see there and get all the information from there. As I said, this is the Crafty Club kit for the month of March. Registration closes on the 20th. Let me know if you would like to join. I would love for you to join. And as I said, this is fun. Okay? Thank you so much. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye.